How to download and install the Billi Billi app, Easy Method 2026. Want to download the Billi Billi app but can't find it on your phone? Don't worry, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to install it even if it's not available in your region. Step 1. Search the app normally. Open the Google Play Store on Android or Apple App Store on iPhone. Search for Billi Billi. If the app appears, tap Install and you're done. Sometimes the app is available directly depending on your country. Step 2. If Billi Billi is not available in your region, if you don't see the app, you may need to update your store region. On Android, 1. Open Settings on your phone. 2. Go to Accounts or Google account. 3. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, Country and Profiles. 4. Select a supported country, such as China if available. And 5. Restart the Play Store and search again. On iPhone, 1. Open Settings. 2. Tap your Apple ID at the top. 3. Go to Media and Purchases, View Account. 4. Tap Country or Region. And 5. Change to a supported region and select None for payment if prompted. After changing the region, reopen the App Store and search for Billi Billi again. Step 3. Install and open the app. Tap Install. Once installed, open the app and sign up or log in. You can now explore videos, anime, and trending content. Quick tip: if the app still doesn't appear, try updating your App Store, restarting your phone, searching using the exact keyword Billi Billi. And that's it. That's the easiest way to download and install the Billi Billi app on Android or iPhone.